Hi everyone, this is Ziad from GB and we are looking today to the JBL Tune Beam 2. We are gonna take a look about it, adaptive noise cancellation, perfect calls, special sound. You can see of course on the package from the outside a lot of the features that they offer, and there is of course an app for the Android and Apple platform that you can have full control in it, and you can go more specific in the app itself. When you download it, you can control everything, for instance the equalizer. And here we are taking a look about what we got with the box itself. We got more extra air tips, and we got also a short USB type C to type A. Of course, it's a short. I don't know why they just include it. You can use any cable that you have. Anyway, in the case you want it, you have it. The guide menu, you can take a look about all the informations, how to wear it, how to use it, and of course the most important things, that reset factory if you just lost a signal, or if you just take it out of the box and it does not pair directly or perfectly, and you can connect it with max 2 devices at once. So if you have like Apple and iPad, so you can change between them easily, and also the same for the Android if you have multiple devices. That's also important these days, just to move quickly between two devices that you have. The case of the Earbuds itself, it's very nice, but it's a little bit huge, that you of course you feel it when you have it in your pocket, as we see from the back. Tune Beam 2, very nice. USB type C. You have also indicators at the front of the case itself. You can open it with one hand, but it's a little bit not so comfortable. Of course, it was difficult a little bit for me, because I was just trying to open it with one hand in comparing with the Apple iPods 2. I usually use the Apple iPods 2, and that was a little bit strange for me because of the air tips, because I don't, as you might know, the Apple iPods 2, they don't have of course tips. So as you see here, you can just take the AirPods tips out, and of course you can change it with any of the extras. Just to be honest, it was difficult for me just to put it it took time. As you see here also, if you didn't see my previous video about the JBL Tune Flex 2, you should go and see that video, because it's very important to you to make you decide, do you want to go in the JBL line speakers or you want to stop. And at the end of this video, you will see more information that you will make you decide very clearly, should I go use it or shouldn't. So here also I tried to put it in my ear, just to it's a very rare feeling for me, but it's nice. I tried many of different earbuds, but this one was good for me in comparing with the air tips, because I usually don't like the air tips in my ear. So it's a little bit very nice, to be honest.
So when you just touch it twice, the ambience aware will be activated. When you touch it 3 times, noise cancellation will be also enabled. If you just touch it once, the ambience aware will be activated, or noise cancellation will be also activated. So it's a little bit strange to me, because if I also touch it twice, will be also just play some music from me. So you can, like that, when you activate talk through, also give it some orders, just to you can give it some orders just to to play music or something like this. Let's try it again. Now the noise cancelling is activated. And just one touch, the ambient aware is activated. Sometimes if you just touch it twice, the ambient aware will be also activated 3 times. Then also the noise cancellation it will be also enabled. So it's a little bit strange which one. Maybe I just touch it not express. So, and that will enable another mode. So now I touch it twice and the talk through is enabled. So Siri, hello Siri, hello Siri. It's not hearing anything and not doing anything. Also, this speaker or this side is, the sound of it is more clear than the right one, because the right one is just not so high like this one. So and I'm really, that's really strange for me, because so when I just keep this, I hear the same sound level, but when I just put this, so this is a little, the sound level of it, it's a little bit not the same as the left one. So JBL, this is not a very good work, to be honest. If I just bought any AirPods from AliExpress, it would be better than this, and it's also like $15, $30 instead of $100. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comment.
So as you see here in the app, you can see all the devices from JBL that you have, and if I just go to the JBL Tune Beam, I can see a lot of options. One of them, of course, above how much every earbuds has in it, and also the case itself if need to be charged. And here, as you see from the above, we have general, we have audio, and we have different. Of course, this is another language, but I can of course translate it. Ambient sound, and you can see all the, of course, the options that they offer. Smart audio and video, and you can choose or leave it automatic. So in this case, the AirPods itself will, of course, depends on the what you watch or what you listen, decide, oh okay, this is an audio, so I will improve it with an AI technology, of course, just to make it a little bit more perfect or fit your needs. As you see here also, you can see the ambient sound regular, and you can choose and make an options how do you want it, and which option do you want to use for the left one and the right one. And you can of course here you can also enable the ambient sound regular, and in that case, of course, you need to take one of the speakers out just to start using and noticing and changing between these options. As you see now, the ambience aware is active. You can also active noise cancellation, but you need to take, of course, two AirPods out of the box just to activate this option. If we go to the audio, you can see the equalizer. You can choose between all these different, of course, options that you have here. You can also customize your own special sound. You can of course activate it, film, music, game, and you can choose if you want to put the sound to the right or to the left, or just keep it and or disable it. Max volume, limited, you can of course activate it. Of course you can choose between all of these, diversion or divergent. Here they are offering also more a relax sound to you if you want just to activate it. At least you need to activate one, otherwise it's not gonna work. If you just lose one of the speakers just to run a test and listen to the sound, then you can find it. Here is also finally you have you can see the update and update the AirPods itself. I don't recommend to update any software of the JBL because, as I mentioned again, if you didn't see the JBL Tune Flex, you need to go and see it and see what's happened with me with the JBL Flex Tune when I just updated. So that's it for today. I hope this video was useful. Please, if you like it, give it like, share, subscribe, and I will see you with another video. Peace.